today we're having a bit of a race. Guide son, Jay, we're going to go up here to a place called Samet Nangshe. Yep, got that right. It's a viewpoint in Phang Nga Bay. It is stunning. But the question is it quicker to go by boat or by car? So, what do you think? Comment below if you think Guide son's going to win by boat or Jay's going to win by car. What do you think?
Always me.
Me! Because let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go.
Let's do this. Right. Hello! Jay here. Now, I should explain what's going on. So, the other day we were having a discussion in the office about the Samet Nangshe Viewpoint and how amazing it is. And I said, yeah, I've driven there a few times. It's a lovely drive. Once you get off Phuket, it's a lovely drive. And it doesn't take too long. So then we had a whole discussion, a whole argument about which one's going to be quicker, to go by boat or to go by car. So, we've sent Guide son by boat, and me, Mischief and Trouble are going by car to see which one is quicker to get to Nangshe, the viewpoint in Phang Nga. So that's where we're going. Now I've already logged it onto my old googly maps. Other maps are available, of course. And it says it takes about an hour and 10 minutes. It's actually an hour and 6 minutes. Now, I'll be very, very honest with you. It is Sunday, so there's going to be less traffic on the roads. As I picked the day because I want to win. And you're coming with us. Right, are you ready to go to Samet Nangshe and see which one's faster, boat or car? Yes? Good! Let's go, baby! Well, we already are going, to be fair. Anyway, Miguel, do that editing stuff you do. Thanks!
Sleeping, not a good right now. I know where Jay is, but at home, I can win. Let's go, guys!
First traffic light. Another set of traffic lights. Okay, updates. We've just gone past Phuket Airport. I say just gone past the turning for Phuket Airport. So we're almost at the north of Phuket. We've done about, what's that, almost 20k. So not too bad. We're on our way. Traffic is pretty good today. That's because I picked a Sunday because I'm smart, you see. I'm a smart guy, that's right. So I might just call Guide son and find out where they are. But I need to go and sort out the hands-free stuff first. Because of course you can't use your phone while you're driving. Oh, it's an airplane! Airplane! See it! Quick! See it! Airplane! Did you see the airplane? I'm not sure. Anyway, let's go call Guide son. Oh, it's perfect timing. Another red light.
Hold on, let's move it up for Jay. I can check with him. No?
Son!
Yeah, Jay,
where are you?
We're about to Samet Nangshe in 20 minutes.
Really? I'm just going past Phuket Airport now.
Really?
Alright, mate. No worries.
All right.
Race is on, baby.
Bye.
I will see you there. Come on. Come on, car.
You know what? The best thing in travel raining season or low season or wind season or whatever. So, it's quiet and more nature. You can see the island is more greener. And it's not raining every day. Rain sometimes. So, if you're thinking it's going to be like heavy raining every day in raining season in Phuket, in Thailand, you are wrong. Look at here.
Here it is, the Phuket Gateway. We're about to leave, well not we're about to leave Phuket. This is what you go through when you're about to leave Phuket, the Phuket Gateway. And then we just got to get to the Saracen Bridge and then we're in Phang Nga Bay. Exciting, isn't it? Yes, it is, very exciting. We're doing well, 31 kilometres kilometers in. Yeah, good. We're gonna win this for sure. Oh, this next bit of the drive is beautiful, by the way. I love this bit. Wanna see? Okay. Saracen Bridge, baby!
No, new content just released. You can see Jay Leshark here. Secret Island. You have to watch it. If you can make Phuket, if you need Secret Island, you need the best tour in Phuket. Watch this video at us.
Oh, yeah! We're just stuck behind this bushy truck. Look at that. That's cool.
Okay, so we about 2 more minutes away to Hin Rom Pier. We're going to get on Hin Rom Pier and then we will get into the car, and then I think it takes about like 10 to 15 minutes and go up to the meeting point with Jay. But let me check with Jay. I don't know. Maybe Jay Amos here or I'm the first one. I guess I'm the first one. Let's check it. Look at this island. It's beautiful. Yay!
Okay, just an update. We are, well, according to Google Maps, about 20 minutes. All right, go. Shush, Google. Right, we're about 20 minutes away, apparently. Got to turn down here. Right, so we're in the vicinity. 20 minutes, come on. We're gonna win. For Google Maps, 19 minutes away, 15 kilometers to go. I wonder where Guide Sun is. Look at this drive. Look, there's a sign there that's hidden by that leaf that says Samet Nangshe Viewpoint. Oh, there it is, there's a better sign. We're close, 14 minutes away. Samet Nangshe Viewpoint, turn right, let's do it. Come on!
So let me call Jay.
Oh, Guide Sun's calling.
Hello?
Hello, mate. Where are you?
Yeah,
You're at the pier
I'm at the pier.
already?
Yeah, 5 more
So,
minutes.
10 minutes from there?
Yeah, 5 more minutes. I'll be there. Where are you?
Oh, man. I'm close.
Seriously?
It's going to be close.
If I win, you have to buy beer for me tonight. 4 beer. Heineken, okay?
Oh, come on, come on.
All right.
All
gotta
right, mate.
go.
See you there.
See you there.
I'll be
Bye.
first. Come on. So close.
This is our car. Look nice. Okay, let's go. Hi, สวัสดีครับอัลมาโอเคครับจ้าไปSamet Nangshe ไปอ่าวโตลี Yep. So now we're in the car. About 10 minutes away. Seems like I can get a free beer tonight. Let's go. Alright, so we arrived at Samet Nangshe Viewpoint. There you go. Up. Look at here. Full of it. It's beautiful, huh?
So that was Guide Sun. He's just got to the pier. So when you go by boat to Samet Nangshe Viewpoint, you'll get the boat from Boat Lagoon. You go to a little pier, which is where Sun is now. And then you get a little a taxi, or you get a truck will take you to the viewpoint. And that's about 10 minutes-ish, depending on how fast the taxi man is. And I've got 13 minutes to get there. It's gonna be very, very, very close. We're gonna win. Although I'm really enjoying this drive, it's beautiful. But come on! We've gotta win, baby! That's what it's all about. Here we go. 6 minutes away, 3.5 kilometers to go. Look at the view though. Here, wait till I get round this corner. Watch this. Look at that. That is stunning. Right, just realised I have a slight problem because there's 3 different viewpoints to go to and Google Maps has taken me to one of them and now she keeps telling me to turn around even though there's a sign here that says keep going that way. Google got it wrong. Oh, anyway. Ooh, I can see the signs for the viewpoint. So up there's a new resort that's got a skywalk apparently. We're not going to that one, we're going to the next one down. It's nice though, little skywalk. It's cool. I can see it. You can see the viewpoint. You probably hold on, I'll turn the camera around. You see it? It's up there on that hill. You can see there's some tents up there and stuff. That's where we're going, up there. We're very close now. Come on, baby. We can do this. Here it is, here it is. I got the sign, I got the sign, I got the sign. All right. Oh. One coming down. Okay, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Thank you, mate. Thank you for letting me go. Very kind of you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Anyway, look, they were close. Here it is. This is it, I think. That view. Hold on. I'll show you the view quickly before we park. All right, look at that. It's stunning, isn't it? And we are here. All right, I think we're here. I think we're here. I'm just going to park and then see if Guide's son is here or not. Let's have a quick look. Park up. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Doggies, you stay here for 2 seconds, okay? Yes. Phone's got. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Right, I'm here. Viewpoint. Took a little bit longer than I thought. Lovely bit of traffic, but anyway, I still reckon I've won. Cars always beat boats. Maybe. This place is cool though, isn't it? Look. It's like a whole little resort up here. It's lovely. Probably better if you're looking that way, isn't it? Rather than looking at this ugly mug. Anyway, let's see if Guide's son's here. There's little cabins here. Look, there's people living here. There's some Crocs there. Don't wear Crocs, people. Horrible. Right, anyway, hold on. I've got to turn this camera around. How do I do that? I press that button and then press that button. Look at this. Hold on. Who's that? Son? I don't think he's here. It's empty. Empty. This tent, what? Oh, shut up. No way, man. Come on.
Guys.
Oh, rubbish. That means I owe you a beer.
Free beer tonight.
Great.
And nong nong.
Hey, have you showed them the view?
All right, go.
Oh, well, I'll just go then. Thanks, son. Well done. You're the winner.
Ooh.
Find that tent, though. Yeah. That's karma for you.
Beautiful. So let's say Samet Nangshe has about 3 spots. I mean like 3 viewpoints, but same views.
I'm upset.
Loser!
It's taken a long time to get here. And yeah, nice view though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, we should stay in one of these together. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? We could wake up in the morning together, be like Brokeback Mountain. Fancy that? Probably not. Anyway, there's your video. Like and subscribe. Boats get you to Samet Nangshe quicker than cars do. Got it? Good. Thanks.
Bye! Woohoo!